Hello friends, very good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Talent Traders. Myself Bala here. I welcome you all my YouTube channel. And those who are new to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe the channel to get more update on intraday and positional trading strategy. So as we are doing some positional trades, so that I was updated on my Telegram channel today. So last about this September contract. So that was a positional trade which we are going to take not for intraday, and that is having a high risky trade. Okay, so it is not suitable for all kind of investor. Okay. And now, so today we have updated some candlesticks pattern and how it is going on. So that I'm going to discuss in this video. And this is about yesterday's trade about Wipro. Let's see that what happened on the shooting star candle, that when it is forms at the highest level, and yesterday is broken around 675 and today it was trading around 639. So near about 30-35 points. Even if you calculate the low, it is more than 40 points down in 2 days. And the second stock, which is Mindtree, also yesterday we seen that the same kind of pattern. Let's see what happened here, where the breakdown is around 4487, almost 300 point. When you calculate the low, it is 400 points down from the topest level. Where if you are checking this inverted hammer candle, which is forms below 4600, now market is coming down to 4002, almost 400 point in 2 days. That is a huge. And today Nifty also goes down, and Bank Nifty, and after nearby closing hours it recovers. But the stocks which we have taken, that is giving you such a great opportunity. And those who are watching my previous videos on previous trade, that I was taken Tech Mahindra, that I booked around somewhere around 18k by yesterday. But let's see the today's trade, because this is the closing nearby the expiry. The contractors are closing and settlement, and physical delivery is also be there. So some broker allowing to trade, someone was not allowing to trade on that particular. So that is why we are exiting the position by intraday itself. We are not able to hold, and also having required a huge margin to hold the option position, even buying also, because of physical delivery. That is the reason we exited. But what happened yesterday, the trade which I have taken Techiem 1540 put option, as per this pattern, yesterday we take around 61, now it is almost 123, double. I was taken around somewhere around 1200 quantity, almost double based on this candlesticks alone. There is a good opportunity daily present. Daily there is a good kind of trade opportunity which present. That was updated on my Telegram channel as a free of cost. So you can also access my scanners. I will send you that without any use. So yes, today what we have updated. So spinning top, it is a decision should be the bullish or bearish. It's a confusing one. And spinning top, we leave it. And finally white inside out up on Ramco Cement, having not a good volume. So even we will check that Ramco Cement, what happened. See what happened in the Ramco Cement, inside out up. So where it is broken that high, and still it is moving to upside, right? So where the high is around 987 and it moves to 997 and then closed by 983. So it is in the today's scenario, this is the bullish pattern where it is forms yesterday. When it is broken, that gives you such a great amount of money where it is moves, and it closed to be a nearby our entry point. There is no loss, not a big loss, as well as it is a nearby closing nearby the cost, and it is moving somewhere profit. This is the bullish kind of pattern where it is forms in the Ramco Cement. But one thing you should remember, there is a big down in the market today, but the stock is not going down, right? So that is the power of this candlestick. And the second one, which is um, Tuzer bottom, so it is a Petronet, and black inside out down daily in Bharati Airtel. So having good movement, that was giving you today's opportunity where we are seen in Bharati Airtel today. So it's such a great movement which happened, but we are not doing any trades because it is having the expiry. That is why we are not taking any position. But there is an opportunity where there is a candlestick pattern. I will remove all the previous one. So there where you can see the black inside out daily, when the market is broken below that 718 with a stop loss of 753, the big risk, but it broken below 718, and it is coming down towards 685. So almost 30 plus points down based on this single candle. How many of them followed? I don't know, but there is a pattern which is forming at the day high or a day low. There is a good chances of reversal possibilities. So the market has started moving higher, and at this particular point of time it is going down. Hope you got it. So this is a pattern which is formed by yesterday, and we have updated that in today. And a dark cloud cover in Eicher Motor and black crows in S cards. Let's see what happened. Dark, that is Eicher Motor, but it is not good for trading intraday. Eicher Motor, it is not breaking that level where we are focusing the sale below this level. It is not giving you opportunity. And then S cards, let's see S cards what happened. It's a 3 candlesticks pattern. So but it's not giving you more confirmation here whenever 3. So today it is trying to move up. It is not breaking below the level, no entry. So only few stocks is IRCTC separating line bullish. How many of them following IRCTC? Because we are holding some position in IRCTC, and today it rocks well. IOC Kodak. So IRCTC, let's see how it giving you profit. I think that stock was in ban period. We cannot able to try to trade. So that is the pattern which forms yesterday. Once it is broken that in the morning, it moves up from 3380 to almost 3978, somewhere around 100 point. It moving from that, from the breakout, and after that it is closing nearby the same level, and it forms a spinning top today. And some stocks, Kodak Bank and IOC, let's see, these are the stocks which forms a bullish kind of pattern. IOC, can anyone see that? IOC, that is a pattern which I have updated in the morning. That was giving you such a breakout at a 120, and it moves towards 123. And finally Kodak Bank. Oh, still it is not giving you any opportunity. Still it is on the same highest level. And some stocks in Gujarat Gas and Biocon. Let's say Gujarat Gas. What happened? Gujarat Gas, there is no opportunity. It is a doji, like a pattern which forms at the bottom. So this is a in-neck pattern. So we are focusing for this level is to break 635. And then what we are seeing, Biocon. So whenever it breaks above this level of 370, we can try to buy until unless we don't go for any trade opportunity. This is the 2 candlesticks pattern where it is forms in Biocon. So I hope this may be giving you such a idea to how we can focus the trades based on the candlesticks pattern that was working on market, real market, that was very well. But we have to focus that at the real time, and we to find out the stocks after the market hour, and we have to add that stocks in our screen app, then focus these stocks that will give you such a great opportunity to make money. So that is about this video, and I think this you may like this video. If you like this, hit the like button and share to your friends if you liked it. And if you are not yet subscribed my YouTube channel, kindly make subscribe the channel to get more update on intraday and positional trading strategies. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you very much.